My topic is testing of hypothesis. Testing of hypothesis. To decide whether a sample is taken from a population or not, we will go for testing of hypothesis. Testing of hypothesis consists of two different types which depends upon the sample size. One is called large sample and another one is called small sample. Large sample is considered when your number of elements in the sample is greater than 30, and small sample is considered when your number of elements in the sample is less than 30. So to test the test hypothesis, first we will decide what is your null hypothesis, which is denoted by H0, which says that the sample is taken from the concerned population. Next step is to construct our alternative hypothesis, which is represented with H1, which negates the statement that it comes from the population. Then we will calculate the Z statistic for large population, which is given by x bar minus mu by sigma by square root of n. Here x bar represents the sample mean, mu represents the population mean, and sigma represents the standard deviation of the population, and n represents the number of elements in the sample. By constructing the Z statistic, we will get Z calculated value. For the given level of significance, we will find the Z tabulated value from the tabular form of our normal distribution, and we will compare the results. If Z calculated value is less than our Z tabulated value, then we will accept our hypothesis. Which says that the sample is taken from the population, and if Z calculated value is greater than Z tabulated value, we reject our hypothesis. Which says that we are accepting our alternative hypothesis in this case and we are rejecting our alternative hypothesis in this case. So the conclusion is dependent upon these two values. So we have to calculate the Z value according to the given data and Z value from the tabular data, and we have to compare the results to get the analysis of our problem. This is for large samples. And considering to the small samples, we use T distribution, F distribution, and also chi-square distribution for small samples, and for large samples we will use only normal distribution.